Tonight, I decided to pull an all nighter. Before studying, I cleaned my desk and even swept the room because I just couldn't focus in a messy space. Then I started studying biodiversity. Some parts weren't making sense to me, so I watched Vipin Sir's one shot and revised the chapter again. By now, most of the class 12th biology was done except mol bio, which I'm skipping for now. After that, I revised breathing and exchange of gases from class 11th biology. Before I knew it, it was already 3 am and suddenly I was feeling very hungry. The problem was that my parents were sleeping right next to the kitchen, so I had to be super careful. I found some Korean noodles, made them quietly, and somehow managed not to wake anyone up. I was holding my breath every time I touched a utensil. I was moving around the kitchen like a thief, but somehow I got my spicy Korean noodles and finally had something to eat. After that, I completed the cockroach wala part and finally looked at the time. It was 4:53 am and that's when I decided it was finally time to sleep. Okay, that's it for today and वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना. 1K सब्सक्राइबर होने पे I'm gonna reveal my face. So go subscribe now.